Exercise 12.3. Question number 1. If m is equals to 2, find the value of first one, m minus 2. So what we have to do? We have to put m is equals to 2 in the given equation. Okay. If we can put m is equals to 2 in the given equation, 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Next, second one, 3m minus 5. Again, if we can put m is equals to 2, 3 into 2 minus 5, that is 6 minus 5, which is equals to 1. Okay. And for the third one, 9 minus 5m. Okay. 9 minus 5 into 2. Okay, 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So that is 9 minus 10, which is equals to minus 1. For the fourth one, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So we have to put 2. 3 into m square means 2 square minus 2m means minus 2 into 2 minus 7. That is 3 into 4 minus 4 minus 7. That is 12 minus 4 minus 7. That is 12 minus 11 is equals to 1. Okay. Simplifying, just simplification. Question number 5. 5m by 2 minus 4. Okay. If you can put the value of m is equals to 2, 5 into 2 by 2. Okay. That is 5 minus 4, which is equals to 1. Okay. Because 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Therefore, 5 into 1 minus 4. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Second question, if p is equals to minus 2, find the value of first question, 4p plus 7. So we have to put p is equals to minus 2. That is 4 into minus 2 plus 7. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 7. So minus 1. For the second one, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 1. Okay. So we have to put p is equals to minus 2. That means minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay. This is minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 3 into 4 minus 4 into minus 2 is equals to minus 8 plus 7. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. So this is equals to minus 13. Okay. In the third problem, minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So we have to put p is equals to minus 2. That is minus 2 into minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 cube is equals to minus 8. Minus 2 square is equals to 4. So upon simplification, we have got this value. That is 16 minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. This is equals to 3. See this calculation carefully. Okay, have you observed? Next, if a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 2, find the value of first one, a square plus b square. Okay, putting a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2. That means 2 square plus of minus 2 whole square. That is 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8. Simple. And for question 2, a square plus ab plus b square. So we have to put a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2. So 2 square plus 2 into, okay, minus 2, because a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2, plus minus 2 whole square, that is 4 minus 4 plus 4, which is equals to 4, because this 4 and 4 will be get cancelled. Question number 3, a square minus b square. Putting a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2 here, we get 2 square minus of minus 2 whole square. This is equals to 4 minus 4, which is equals to 0. Question number 4. When a is equals to 0 and b is equals to minus 1, find the value of the given expressions. First one is 2a plus 2b. So we have to put a is equals to 0 and b is equals to minus 1. 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1, that is 0 minus 2. This is equals to minus 2. Second one, 2a square plus b square plus 1, that is 2 into 0 square plus b means minus 1 whole square plus 1, that is 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 plus 1. This is equals to 2. Okay. Question number 3. 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. Okay. So we can write this as 2 into 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 minus 1 whole square. B square is minus 1 whole square. Plus a into b means 0 into minus 1. So this one is 0 into something, 0, plus 0 into something, 0, plus 0 into something is 0. So this is equals to 0. Question number 4. A square plus ab plus 2. Putting the value a is equals to 0, 0 whole square plus 0 into minus 1, b is equals to minus 1 plus 2. So 0 square means 0, 0 into something is 0 plus 2. Okay, so here this is plus 2 is the answer. Here it is typing mistake, it is not 0, plus 2 is the answer. Question number 5. Simplify the expressions and find the value if x is equals to 2. First one, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, so for that we have to put the value of x is equals to 2. Okay, first we will simplifying the expression, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5, that is x plus 7 plus 4x minus 20. This is equals to 5x minus 13. We have to put the value of x is equals to 2, that is 5 into 2 is equals to minus 13, that is 10 minus 3, that is minus 3. See this one carefully. I hope you have got understood this problem. 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Upon simplification, 3x plus 6 plus 5x minus 7. That is 8x minus 1. And we have to put the value of x is equals to 2. That is 8 into 2 minus 1. 8 into 2 is 16 minus 1, which is equals to 15. As simple as such. Question number 3. 6x plus 5 into x minus 2 can be written as 6x plus 5 into x is 5x, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Okay. And we have to put the value x is equals to 2. That is 11 into 2 minus 10. 22 minus 10, which is equals to 12. Question number 4. 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. We can write this as 4 into 2x is equals to 8x. 4 into minus 1 is 4 plus 3x plus 11. So this is equals to 11x plus 7. Putting the value x is equals to 2, we have got 11 into 2 plus 7, that is 22 plus 7, which is equals to 29. Okay. Observe the problem carefully. Next. Question number 6. Simplify these expressions and find their values. If x is equals to 3, a is equals to minus 1, b is equals to minus 2. First question, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9 can be simplified to get 2x plus 4. Okay, putting the value of x is equals to 3. 2 into 3 plus 4, that is 6 plus 4, which is equals to 10. For question number 2, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. We can write this as minus 8x plus 4x. Okay, writing the like terms one side. Plus 2 plus 4 is equals to minus 4x plus 6. Okay, this is equals to minus 4x plus 6. So putting the value of x is equals to 2, minus 4 into 2 plus 6, that is minus 8 plus 6. This is equals to minus 2. Next, third one, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Okay, we can simplify it to get minus 5a plus 6. And a is equals to minus 1. We have to put a is equals to minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. Minus 5 into minus 1 is equals to 5 plus 6, which is equals to 11. Question number 4. 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Okay, we can rewrite the like terms, or else we can rearrange them all like this. Minus 3b minus 5b plus 10 minus 4, which is equals to minus 8b plus 6. And we have to put b is equals to minus 2. This is equals to minus 8 into minus 2 plus 6. Okay, minus 8 into minus 2 is equals to 16 plus 6, which is equals to 22. Question number 5. 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. After a rearrangement, 2a plus a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5. That is 3a minus 20 minus 2b, this is minus 2b minus 9. So putting a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to minus 2. 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 9. So minus 3 plus 4 minus 9. This is equals to 1 minus 9 is equals to minus 8. Question number 7. If z is equals to 10, find the value of z square minus 3 into z minus 10. Z square minus 3 into z minus 10 can be written as minus 3 into z minus 3z plus 30. So we have to put the value of z as 10. We get 10 square minus 3 into 10 plus 30. So 10 square is 100. 10 square is 100. This is not 1000. Okay. Minus 30 plus 30 will be get cancelled. 100 is the answer. Question number 2. P square minus 2p minus 100. So we have to put the value of p is equals to minus 10. This is equals to minus 10 whole square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. So 10 square is equals to 100 minus 2 into minus 10 plus 20 minus 100. 100 and 100 will be get cancelled to get 20 as the answer. Question number 8. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equals to 0? See, 2x square plus x minus a is equals to 5. And we have to put x is equals to 0. That means 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a. That means minus a is equals to 5. That means a is equals to minus 5. Next, question 9. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. Okay, the equation is 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Okay, so we can write this as 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. Okay, upon simplification 2ab plus ab plus 3. Okay, so putting the value, this is 2a square, putting a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. 2 into 5 whole square plus 5 into minus 3, because b is equals to minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so 5 square is equals to 2 into 25. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 plus 3. 15 minus 15 plus 3, that is 53 minus 15, which is equals to 38. So the required value is 38. With this we have completed this exercise. Thank you.